Here we have a Kia Sedona family van. Today we'll be giving it a thorough vacuum. It's very nasty. So please watch until the end and subscribe. Here, starting off our little slideshow today, some really nasty seats. Lots of stains from food, spilled stuff, I don't even know what. There were 4 kids daily using this for school and daily life, so it's pretty messy. But I've worked on this van before, so I know I can get it looking clean, looking brand new again. I have a lot of photos here before and after, so you guys can quickly see the big differences that I did. Not too many GoPro videos this time, but I did save the best for last, so keep watching until the end. I've got some great vacuuming clips. You can see this car entirely covered in food crumbs and debris, stains, mostly on the seats, but a little bit of light staining on the carpets that I had to clean as well. Here you can see I'm going to the driver's side, the passenger foot side, just getting everything, turning it back to brand new. The dash was covered in weird sticky liquid, and I had to go around and get fingerprints off of all of the shiny surfaces. That's what happens when you have 4 young kids, but as you can see from the after photos, I think it cleaned up pretty well. Center console was super dirty. Looks like they spilled a lot of drinks in there. And then moving on to our final couple video clips, the trunk had some sort of grocery spill or something. There was uncooked rice, but then there was also cooked rice, like boiled rice, in the back, along with lots of food debris and sticks and stones and stuff. So I gave it a nice thorough vacuuming. This is the 4th or 5th time I've worked on this car. Really lucky to have return customers that like what I do, and glad to share this stuff with you guys because it's really satisfying. As we move on to our final video, what you've all been waiting for, we have really nasty, crumbled up goldfish crackers in and around these seats. So I got some very satisfying video here of me vacuuming that all up. If you like what you see, I post videos every Tuesday and Friday. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.